Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix screen resolution problem in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So to resolve this issue, click on Start, then type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now in here, expand Display Adapters. Now right click on Display Adapter Driver, then Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers, then close it and restart your PC. And another thing you can try, right click on Anyway, then click on Display Settings. Now in here, in Scale, select here and select your recommended size, and also in Display Resolution select recommended. In my case it's 1920 1080, and it can different as your PC requirement. So hopefully guys, using these two simple steps we can resolve and we can fix screen resolution problem in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.